What's up, guys? You know what time it is. It's another episode of ONYX Holy Mods. We read your guys' comments and we're really excited to bring another guest to you guys. Goes by the name of Anthony. Pretty sweet bike. Let's roll the intro. All right, we're really excited to show you who's here right now. Call him the man with style. He's got a totally different bike than a lot of people. Honestly, he's just got a lot of style. Look at this guy. What's up, Anthony? How you doing, brother?
Good, man. How you doing?
Good, good.
Nice seeing you.
Came in with style. What
Thanks.
was I talking about? This guy is the man with style. Tell us about yourself. You know, how'd you get an ONYX? What do you do on your off time?
Oh, okay. Well, I work for a small warehouse, Costco.
Heck yeah, shout out.
Right now, this is my ONYX. It's a 1.0 version. It started from the ground up. Pretty much before they built the bike, I came up to ONYX, you know, these guys, and I was like, hey, you know, can I change the color on it? And they're like, yeah, sure, you know, because I know that ONYX, you know, they build them from this, you know, from the ground up. So perfect opportunity to take advantage.
Yeah, man. No, we're super excited. I met Anthony back at our old shop before we had this big warehouse. And yeah, man, so starting with the vision, how did this all start? Where was your first mod? I know you said your paint was kind of like your first mod, but yeah. Let's go down the list.
All right, so first mod was the paint, of course, and then my whole theme as far as the bike was cafe style. So with the cafe style, I did the bars and everything. From there, it was already a shorty version, so then I kind of like sanded this down, all the way down, and then I did my own stain. I did the resin right here, little touch-ups. As far as the third light, as far as cafe style, what they used to do back in the day. So I added the third light, and then from there, my next mod was the wine bottle. Wine bottle is like, yeah, I don't know, it's just, you know.
It's the perfect aesthetic, right?
Yeah, it's perfect aesthetic, you know. I do crack it open once in a while, but you know, it is very durable as far as the bumps, off-road and everything. So when I do ride, it doesn't break at all.
Love the wine bottle touch. It's amazing. I'm jealous of that. Let's dive into your pedals. Your pedals don't look like normal pedals. So.
Yeah, they're not normal pedals. They're quick release pedals. So just take them off like that.
That is crazy. You
can put them on like this. They don't go all, you know, as far as your off-road or regular riding, it's perfect aesthetic as far as, you know, the bike. If you do have a bike rack or whatever, you don't have to scratch your car. Nice. Or if you're, you know, you're at the market or a restaurant or whatever, you want to take the pedals off just to deter somebody from stealing your bike.
Yep.
And then when you get back, just put them back on, just like that.
Ready to ride.
Rocking and rolling.
Nice, man. Cool. So looks like you got some different tires here, and the rear tires are very fatty tire, which is awesome. So tell us a little bit more about these tires. They're unique.
So the tires, I've been through a lot of tires, the Shinkos, the regular tires. As far as these tires, these are actually motorcycle tires. So right here in the rear, I have 180 17s, and then I have a 80 90 17s in the front. So as far as the clearance, when I did try to get them installed, I only have probably a centimeter of clearance on each side. But besides that, it's perfect.
Yeah. I remember actually we were looking at your tire and you were asking like, will this fit?
Yeah.
And you were like, I don't know. But it fits, it looks great.
Yeah, it's perfect.
I think it's awesome. What kind of tires are these? What's the brand?
These are the Pilots, the Pilot 2s. But
by Michelin, right?
Yeah, by Michelin. But they're the motorcycle version.
Let's go into suspension. I know you said it's a shorty, but you got some different suspensions here.
Yeah, I got the EcoBoost. Pretty much this is the way to go as far as if you do want to upgrade your rear suspension. I would go with the EcoBoost.
Yeah, a lot of people are rocking the EcoBoost.
Yeah.
Love them. I have them on my bikes.
Yeah, they're fully adjustable. Nice. Can't go wrong with them.
looking at the aesthetic of the bike, obviously it all kind of matches together. And the panels, what'd you do to get that color?
Well, with the panels, to be honest, I really don't know. This is, my bike is almost 3 years old, so they used to be just this brown right here. And then as far as over time, it just seems like it just, you know.
It started blending with the bike.
Yeah, it's
That
a
is
work of
awesome.
art, pretty much.
It's I wouldn't say patina, but
Yeah.
it's nice, man.
Thanks,
no,
man.
good touch. All right, so moving on, let's talk about your light setup. Your light setup is pretty unique as well too.
Thanks.
You got a spotlight and you got this cool little cafe light going on.
Yeah. So on the lights, pretty much when I bought them, they were like this as far as the style. So I had to actually do a little dissecting as far as to get it into the original ONYX harness. So as far as the lights, this is regular, and then that's high beam.
Nice. It's got that retro aesthetic.
Yeah.
Nice and yellow, not like the bright LEDs, but I
So
love it, man.
They come clear, so I did coat it as far
Okay.
as the film. And then on this screen right here, it is coated, so it doesn't look like a regular
Yeah, I was
ONYX.
gonna ask you about that. It's like, I see what you're going with,
Yeah.
and it's all that retro-esque kind of style, so that's
I-
unique, man. I could tell that there's a lot of detail on your bike. Let's run down a little bit. I see you got some coverings for the wires,
Yeah.
your handlebars. Let's dive deep.
Oh yeah, so pretty much just to go with the whole flow as far as the color scheme, I did do the wrap on the wires. On the cable right here, it's just covered up with another wrap.
Nice.
That protects it a little bit. I did the wrap right here too. The handlebars, just the whole cafe style, you know, look. And as far as the mirror is actually it's a pretty good mirror. You know,
Nice.
it's MC Motor Parts, and it's, you know, a little pricey, but sometimes you got to spend a little to
Yeah.
make it look good.
So I did see a little bit of a personal aesthetic down below. So what is this right here?
Well, this right here, let me tell you, this is actually like I would say it's the heart of the bike right here. This is Los Angeles Clippers. This is the logo. This makes this thing run so fast. Oh my God.
Well, last episode we had Chris going with the Lakers. What are your thoughts?
I don't know. Where's LeBron at right now?
Uh-oh. But no, that's awesome, man. I love the little touches like that.
Thanks.
I know we're kind of gearing away, but let's talk about these lights that you got back here.
The lights, they're actually LED lights, and then I do have additional blinker lights too. So at night,
Oh,
they
nice.
do illuminate really good.
Yeah. They're pretty bright for
Yeah.
being small.
And
That's
then
what she said.
to keep it going, as far as when you're rolling, you do have to have the Marshall. This is the actual Marshall speaker, guys.
That is awesome. It just goes with the aesthetic.
Oh,
Again,
yeah.
the man with style.
You got to bring it all in. As far as my bike, as far as my style, I just want it to be clean, sleek, no LEDs blinking, all that. Just, you know, got the wine bottle, got the speaker,
Sorry, Chris.
and then that's it. That's
Yeah.
all you need.
Sorry, Chris. Well, Anthony, this is our closing here. And I just want to thank you for coming and showing
no
us your
problem, man.
bike.
That's
The bike
what I
is
do.
super clean. Again,
Yeah.
the man with style. He's over here, local legend.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, man, this is kind of our closer. And you got anything special to show us?
Well, you know, I always do something crazy. I do fall. I do end up in the ER.
No,
but
that's
let's
bad.
just do it.
Yeah.
Woo!
Let's go. Dude, Anthony, man. We're gonna have you sign the wall, but
Oh
dude,
yeah, we signed the wall.
yeah, man.
Oh.
That's awesome. Okay, let me get you a pen really quick.
Wait,
We're gonna
oh.
sign this wall.
I have a pen.
You have a pen?
I have a
of
pen.
Of course this guy's ready.
Let's do this.
Oh, let's go.
Something secret. It's my family right here. We're gonna do this right here.
Nice.
Even though I should do it above Chris, because this year the Lakers are gonna beat the Clippers are gonna beat the Lakers. Sorry.
That is
All right,
awesome.
so let's do it.
Over the sticker, I love it.
That's what we do.
I love it,
right.
man. Dude, that's awesome.
Thanks,
Well,
man.
thanks again.
Cool.
Where can they find you? Do you have an Instagram? Do you have social platforms?
Instagram is it takes everything 1973 at yeah.
At Instagram.
Yeah.
On Instagram. We'll put everything in the link below.
Oh, yeah.
Again, thank you so much for
Gotcha.
coming out, man, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.